My name is Casey, and I'm 11 years old. It's fall in my neighborhood, and the maple trees are yellow, green, and red. 2 days ago, I took my biggest order to date, 500 pumpkin twinkle bars for the Blue Moon Cafe on Main Street for their annual Halloween spooktacular. Every year, the town businesses on Main Street host a pumpkin carving contest for all ages. Each business along the street sets up a Halloween display in their store window. The Blue Moon Cafe is the main sponsor. They pay for all the lights inside the display pumpkins. They provide prizes for the best carvings. They also make all the signs and promote the big event. This year, they placed an order for my pumpkin twinkle bars. I have no idea how I'm going to deliver their order of 500 bars on time and by myself.